Park Inn by Radisson Berlin Alexanderplatz is a well-known hotel in the heart of Berlin, primarily valued for its unbeatable central location and impressive city views. Situated directly on Alexanderplatz, it places guests within walking distance of major attractions, public transport links, shopping areas, and restaurants. For travelers who want convenience and easy access to everything, the location is one of the strongest selling points. One of the hotel's standout features is its height. As one of the tallest hotels in Germany, many rooms offer panoramic views over Berlin, especially from the upper floors. The rooms themselves are modern and functional, with clean interiors and practical layouts. While they are not overly luxurious, they are generally comfortable and suitable for short city stays. The hotel also includes a rooftop terrace and bar, which gives guests a unique perspective of the city skyline. Facilities include a spa, gym, and multiple dining options, making it a convenient all-in-one choice for visitors who prefer to have everything in one place. Breakfast is often described as varied and satisfying, though it can get very busy during peak hours due to the hotel's large capacity. However, the size of the hotel is also one of its main drawbacks. With a high number of rooms, the property often feels crowded and less personal. Check-in and check-out times can involve long queues, and elevators may take time during busy periods, especially in the mornings or evenings. Service quality is mixed. While many guests have smooth experiences, others report inconsistencies, including slow responses or a lack of attentiveness from staff. This can make the hotel feel more like a high-capacity business hotel rather than a refined or boutique experience. Room size is another point of criticism, as some guests find standard rooms relatively compact, especially for longer stays. Additionally, certain areas of the hotel are noted as slightly dated, which contrasts with its otherwise modern image. Overall, Park Inn by Radisson Berlin Alexanderplatz is a practical and well-located hotel that delivers on convenience and views, but it is better suited for short city trips rather than travelers seeking luxury, space, or a more personalized experience.